Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use Venmo on Amazon. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. And now let's get into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is open up Amazon.com and then log into your account. Then in order to use Venmo to pay on Amazon, first you gotta fill in your cart with some purchases. So once you're done with shopping, we can go to the payment step. So you want to click onto cart in the top right hand corner of your screen, and then it's going to take you to this page. Now from here, you want to click onto the button here on the top right hand side of the screen that says proceed to checkout. And then from here, you can see a section underneath that says other payment methods. And under this section, you're probably going to find the Venmo option as a payment method. Then you can click on it and connect your Amazon account with your Venmo account. However, if you don't see the Venmo option, then in this case, you want to go up here to the first section and click on to add a credit or debit card. And simply fill in your Venmo debit card information manually. And finally, click onto the add your card button. And you will see that you have successfully connected your Amazon account with Venmo. And that was it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.